Even before the US announcement, WHO is facing a shortfall due to the economic difficulties that many countries are facing. This is a critical element of our long-term plan to broaden our donor base and will, over the long term, reduce the burden of financing from traditional donors, including the US. We therefore continue to seek the support and engagement of all member states, including the US, for our shared vision to put WHO on a more sustainable financial footing.
Members of the Executive Board.